Hello everyone, today we discuss about Profit First book. Profit First by Mike Michalowicz is a revolutionary approach to managing business finances. Michalowicz flips the traditional accounting formula of sales expenses equals profit on its head, instead advocating for the Profit First system. Sales profit equals expenses. This simple yet powerful shift ensures that businesses prioritize profit from day one and avoid the common pitfall of overspending. This video will break down the key ideas from the book, showing you how to transform your business finances and ensure steady profits. Let's dive into the chapters and details that will reshape the way you think about money in your business. Chapter 1. Your business is an out-of-control, cash-eating monster. In the opening chapter, Michalowicz explains how most business owners are caught in the cash-eating monster trap, constantly chasing revenue without ever seeing profit. He argues that the traditional method of prioritizing expenses leads to financial strain and proposes a mindset shift where profit is prioritized first. Chapter 2. The core principle of Profit First. Here, Michalowicz introduces the Profit First formula. Sales, profit expenses. He explains that by setting aside profit first and only spending what's left, businesses can immediately become more disciplined and financially stable. The chapter also covers the concept of bank balance accounting, where owners spend based on what's in the bank, rather than complex accounting metrics. Chapter 3. The Profit First Formula in Action. Michalowicz describes how to implement the Profit First system in practical terms. He advises setting up 5 different bank accounts: income, profit, owner's pay, taxes, and operating expenses. By regularly allocating income into these accounts, business owners ensure that profit, taxes, and owner compensation are always covered before anything else. Chapter 4. Small plates, the power of limiting expenses. In this chapter, Michalowicz likens managing expenses to eating on a smaller plate. By reducing the amount of money available for expenses, businesses are forced to operate more efficiently and frugally. The idea is that when there's less available to spend, you become more resourceful and innovative in running the business. Chapter 5. Allocating your income, the 10-25-50-50 formula. This chapter provides the specific allocation percentages for businesses to follow: 10% to profit, 25% to owner's pay, 15% to taxes, 50% to operating expenses. Michalowicz explains that these percentages are starting points and should be adjusted based on business needs. By consistently following this system, owners ensure they are not overspending and always have enough for profit and taxes. Chapter 6. Assessing the health of your business. Michalowicz shows how to assess the financial health of a business by comparing your actual numbers with industry benchmarks. He introduces the Instant Assessment Tool, a quick and easy way to measure how well your business is doing in terms of profitability, owner's compensation, and expenses. Chapter 7. Making the transition to profit first. Transitioning to the profit first method can be challenging, especially for businesses that are already struggling. Michalowicz offers practical steps to gradually implement the system, starting with small profit allocations and slowly increasing them as the business becomes more efficient. Chapter 8. How to handle business debt. Many businesses are burdened with debt, and this chapter offers strategies for paying it off using the Profit First system. Michalowicz emphasizes the importance of continuing to prioritize profit and owner's pay, even when paying down debt, to prevent burnout and maintain financial stability. Chapter 9. How Profit First makes you more competitive. This chapter explains how businesses that adopt the Profit First system naturally become more competitive. By reducing waste and improving efficiency, these businesses can deliver better value to their customers while maintaining profitability. Chapter 10. The psychology behind profit. First, Michalowicz delves into the psychological benefits of Profit First. Business owners who implement this system experience reduced stress, greater control over their finances, and a sense of accomplishment from consistently seeing profit. Chapter 11. The Growth Trap. Many business owners believe that growth will solve all their financial problems, but Michalowicz argues that growth can often exacerbate them. He explains that by focusing on profit first, businesses can avoid the growth trap and scale sustainably. Chapter 12. Profit First for the Advanced Entrepreneur. In the final chapter, Michalowicz offers advanced strategies for business owners who have mastered the basics of profit first. He discusses ways to maximize profit, increase owner compensation, and expand the business without compromising financial stability. Conclusion: Profit First challenges the traditional way of thinking about business finances. Mike Michalowicz's system prioritizes profit from the start, ensuring that businesses operate more efficiently, owners get paid fairly, and taxes are always covered. By implementing this simple yet powerful method, you can transform your business into a profit-generating machine. If you enjoyed this book summary video and want more insights like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on business, finance, and self-improvement. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.